Hello, it's William Drumming, and I'm in love with Asprite right now, because it's so convenient to use, especially for create pixel art. So I'm going to quickly test the tile map, and yeah, you have been warned. I'm no expert of this, just a really honest opinion. Like first time I try things. Okay, so because I'm making a game, so if you stumble upon my channel, okay, I'm making a game, and right now I'm learning digital art as well as making game asset for my own game, called William Drumming. It's not technically a like a game. It's like more like a semi-tutorial, semi-game sort of thing. So just be creative, okay, and just play around with these things a little bit. So right now we got this like a moving animation, idle animation, jumping animation, falling animation, dash animation, attack, combo animation, and yeah, I also draw a background in the A sprite, which is here, like inspired by Castlevania, or sort of a blood moon sort of thing. And let's create the tile so I can continue developments of our game. Okay, so so it will not be a a hardcore time map tutorial. So what I'm trying to do is to just test like the basic tile map layer system. Okay, so I'm going to just make this, this big. Okay, like already the screen size is already pretty big. So let me just click OK. I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. Okay, and so in a sprite we got this like a layer, new. We got the time map layer. So yeah, grid 16. Yeah, let's just play with the 16. So 16, let's play around. So let's draw a black. So up and down. So let's think about this. So this will be the tile. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So so basically I can like copy this, or like chunk, make this like a different chunk. Okay, if I'm holding this, I believe control or something. Okay, let me just do this and quickly make this. Okay, so I'm holding control. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I can like separate that into different tile. Okay, and I can use this as like just a change of brush to actually paint the tile like this. Okay, so I can paint it here and paint it here, something like that, and just using like a different brush. So yeah, pretty good. So let's try this way. So for example, I want to quickly get the like the brick system, like wall and brick. So what I'm going to do is to just create a thing big enough. So I'm trying to do is just let me first calculate this. Just bear with me. So I got this like 2 bricks that, yeah, let me just, I think it's easier for me to just draw it out for you. All right, so I think I'm like doing the minimum work here because I want to quickly test the whole pipeline, the workflow, so I can quickly get the idea across and finish that in the game. So for example, I like like this will be the okay, let me just take it. So this will be like the brick that do not have any edges. Okay, and here we got some bricks that have the edges. Okay, like something like this. Okay, and this will be the tall brick, and there will be have the edges brick. So let's think about this. There will be the left one, right one. Yeah, so I have to get the connecting one here. So I have to go down a little bit. Oh, I have to go at least. So I have to go at least this part. Okay, at least a 3 by 3. So that's the like minimum effort here, and then I can expand this like width and height. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, and let's get to it. We can just delete this time map layer, I believe. Okay, can I just delete this layer? Okay, do not show this a lot again. And I can create another new time map layer. Okay, let's do that seriously because we already know that it's like at least 3 by 3. So let's zoom it in. Let's just do maybe here. Okay, so I'm going to get a. So first, which kind of color? I want like really, because it's blood moon. Oh my gosh! So I want it like blue, tilted blue, sort of thing. Okay, maybe add a little bit here. Maybe tilted to this. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I love this. So this will be like just break. Okay, so let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I do not want this to be perfect, so just doing this imperfect thing. Okay, so I want it to be really loose when I create things, so I won't get like stressed out. Okay, so there will be brick like this, and so what's the like the color of the brick? Let's think about this. All right, so I'm going to just make it like brighter, add more light. So G, can I just feel that? Oh, I can't do that. Let's think about this. Can I just select this layer and then? Okay, can I do that? Select everything here. Make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, sorry. So I can't do that, obviously. Okay, I think of the way of doing things. So I'm going to hack this by using a rectangular tool with a filled rectangular, and I'm going to make the whole area this color. Oh, I have to like use another layer for this. So I'm going to go this layer rather than tile layer. Tile layer is like a special layer, I know now. So yeah, so get a basic color and then go back to tile map. So I can play around with what's inside. Okay, I'm going to add first the highlight, the other is the, how to say that? The first highlight, the other is the like a dark shadowy part, like cast shadow or something. So I'm going to make this less saturated. This is as the highlight. So just tiny little bit for highlight, like here. Just tiny little bit. Okay, I forgot to add a little bit. So yeah, color dripper. Color dripper is my friend. Okay. I always use color dripper like all the time. So so hopefully I can erase this part. Okay. I'm not sure this will work, so just bear with me. Then color dripper. Let me make it bigger. Okay. Let me zoom it in a little bit. And color dripper brush here, here, here. But I do not want like every to have the same thing, so I have to make it darker. Okay, just a color pick, make it a little bit darker, and just to place it here. Okay, I'm not sure this will work. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, so there will be like the unhinged brick tile, and then what about the edges? Okay, can I just get this and paint? Okay, just test things out to whether they connect or not. Okay, it's obvious connect, but get some sort of feeling. Yeah, that's already pretty good, but still lacking the edges. So I'm going to get a sort of vignette effect. So let's look at here, whether I can get a semi-trans blur tool. Contour. Okay, I have no idea what this what does this tool mean? So I am going to tile map. Let's just quickly search for save for it. Everything right now is like, oh, it's linked. It's kind of linked. Okay, auto select layer. Can I change? Okay, it's just become another. So can I like draw upon this? Let's think about this. So B for brush, for pen, airdropper. Okay, I'm pretty unfamiliar with the tool here, and it's just taking a toll. Auto select layer. And why I'm not be able? Oh, I choose this one. So okay, like a deselect this and select this, and then it's kind of like a moving. So here comes the problem. Why can't I draw? Just eyedropper, pencil. Okay, I can draw now. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So basically, I hacked a little bit by duplicating like a center layer, and right now I want this vignette sort of thing. So blur tool, can I just use blur tool? So I don't know what does this mean. Oh, this is obviously not the result I want. What about contour? So what's the meaning of a contour? Like domestic contour, pocket paint, zoom tool, eyedropper, eraser. Yeah. So I think this blur or jumble. Okay, this is like add a little bit of variation. I love this, but let's make it. Okay, so let's make it more squared. Can I just jumble here? Jumble at the edges. Can I do that? Okay. Then, okay, maybe we can use this, but okay, I'm no expert, but I want to explore this by just jumble the edges. And see how it goes. Obviously pretty bad, and I kind of know the reason why, because I need to like flatten all this together, and then jumble. Let's see about it. Okay, if I jumble, it's yeah, bad idea. I might as well just add some shading. So I changed my mind. I'm going to lock alpha. Let's just add shading for maybe this, okay, and brush shading, yeah. So how to actually add shading? Can I just make it a little bit darker? Okay. Okay. Let's think about it. Dynamic stabilizer gradient, shading, ink, copy, lock alpha composing. Okay. I do not know what I'm doing. I think about this. Okay, there's someone like calling me right now. Yeah, I changed my mind. I'm just going to just dynamic stabilizer, lock alpha composing. What does that mean? Will I control computer using accessibility? Why do you need to use accessibility? Yeah, so I decided just to, just manually add everything, okay? Because I did not know what's going on here. So I will just manually change the alpha to something darker, and I'm going to just using the brush tool here, and I'm going to increase the pixel, so just increase the efficiency a little bit. So the top area, oh, that's weird. Okay, can I add another layer for, just add a new layer, color pick, make it a little bit dark, and using the bigger brush to get the edges. Okay, I think I'd better just use some line tool here. So yeah, okay, it doesn't really matter. Let's just get rid of the here, and I believe I can like export this right now. So let's just get rid of this. Okay, just to use the brush again. Okay, so something like this. Okay, I'll just ignore all this imperfect part because I just want to quickly export this. Let's just flatten this and then convert this to time map. Right, new time map. Yeah, 16. Yeah. So I can get all this, and I can add more variations. Okay, I'm going to export this and quickly test it in Unity. All right. So yeah, and thanks for your time. See you around.